Hello the world. This is Tatsuya in Japan. Today, I'll show you about Yamagata prefecture of our country. Yamagata is located in Tohoku region, northeast part of Japan. Facing Japan Sea, this prefecture gets much snow in winter. It is common for Tohoku area that Yamagata has its own unique culture. From the medieval period, three mountains in Yamagata area, Mt.Gassan, Mt.Yudono, and Mt.Haguro, have been regarded as holy places, and some Buddhist monks practiced asceticism there. Mt.Gassan has a shrine at the top of it, and some lodging for pilgrims. Mt.Yudono has a shrine too, but the shrine doesn't have its main building. The mountain itself is the place where gods live, so it was prohibited to build something in it. Mount Haguro is the smallest in the three mountains, but and has a shrine for all the three mountains. The mountain is still a holy place for practitioners of austerities. Yamagata has a long river called Mogami. The river is known as one of the three rapid streams in Japan, as well as River Fujigawa of Shizuoka and River Kumagawa of Kumamoto. In Edo period, a famous haiku poet, Matsuo Basho, visited it and composed a poem. From now, let's learn the local food of Yamagata. First, eat cherry. In Meiji era, plants of cherry fruit came from the United States and spread in Yamagata. Especially the brand Sato Nishiki is tasty and called the king of cherry. Second, La France is popular. The production of La France pear is the largest in Yamagata. If you visit Yamagata, enjoy some fruits, including cherries and pears. One of the best-known local Yamagata food would be imoni. Imoni is a cooked dish with taro, beef, green onion, and konjac, flavored with soy sauce. And the first Sunday of September, they make big amount of imoni for 3,000 people. In conclusion, you can visit 3 holy mountains and a historical river. Moreover, you will eat some kinds of fruits and imoni dish. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye.